Hello guys, this is Salman sir here, and in this video we are going to practice some important conversion. The first conversion we are taking, that is benzene to metabromophenol. Is it? And if you want to convert benzene to metabromophenol, now see here, this is the conversion that convert benzene to nitrobenzene, nitrobenzene to aniline, aniline to benzene diazonium chloride. Correct? But we don't want aniline or benzene diazonium chloride, but this is the way by which we will go. Now benzene will be converted into nitrobenzene, and nitrobenzene, when treated with Br2 in presence of FeBr3 anhydrous minus HBr, HBr will be the byproduct, and the main product will be NO2 at its own place, and NO2 is meta directing, so Br will go at the meta position. And same thing will be happen. Why I have drawn this conversion? To compare. Now if you will do Fe plus HCl or Sn plus HCl or lithium aluminum hydride, same thing will happen, and NO2 will be converted to aniline, NH2, is it? And Br will be at this place, at the same place. So we can compare nitrobenzene to aniline, but we will convert nitrobenzene to metabromo nitrobenzene, that will be in the same manner. So metabromo aniline, because NH2 is ortho-para directing, so we cannot go bromination after forming of NH2. Now what we will do? We will follow the same. That is what? NaNO2 plus HCl after loss of NaCl and 2H2O. We will get the same product as above, but at the meta position it will be Br. Is it? NS plus Cl minus. Br will be at the same place. And what we want? We want bromophenol, so it will be converted into OH. So simply it is treated with water, hot water, so we can write a boil, that will be converted, so N2Cl will be converted into OH. So we can get metabromophenol by this process, and here the byproduct will be N2 and HCl. Correct? Now in the second conversion we have taken the conversion of nitromethane to dimethylamine. So nitromethane is what? CH3NO2. We can convert it into amine by reduction. So we can take Sn plus HCl or Fe plus HCl or lithium aluminum hydride. It will be CH3NH2. Right? We got amine. But we want dimethylamine, then we will get cyanide first. So we will treat it with, how it will be convert amine into cyanide? That will be, what will be? KOH and chloroform. So CHCl3 and KOH. That convert amine into isocyanide, CH3NC. And CH3NC, when it is reduced by lithium aluminum hydride or any other reducing agent we can take, that will be CH3 and CH3. We can write what? H here, that will be 4 nascent hydrogen will be given by this reducing agent. Okay, so nitromethane can be converted into dimethylamine. Now third conversion we have taken ethanamine to methanamine. So we are going to reduce the chain. So ethanamine is what? CH3, CH2, NH2. It will be converted into alcohol, that will be reaction with HNO2 nitrous acid. In place of HNO2 we can use NaNO2 plus HCl because it does not exist. So it will be CH3CH2OH, alcohol. Amine can be converted into ethanol by nitrous acid. Here nitrogen will be lost, right? Water will be lost, and alcohol will be oxidized. Will oxidize, better is we will take K2Cr2O7 plus H2SO4. We will get aldehyde CH3CHO, correct? And CH3CHO on further oxidation at the same condition we will get CH3COOH, acetic acid. And when acetic acid is treated with ammonia, that is addition acid plus base, it will be ammonium acetate, CH3COONH4. And when ammonium acetate is heated, it loses one water molecule and the product will be CH3CONH2, that is ethanamide or acetamide. And when it is treated with Br2 plus KOH, that is Hofmann bromide degradation reaction. Here decarboxylation, K2CO3 will be lost and the product will be H3CNH2. So CO will be lost from here. So we will get CH3NH2 methanamine. So ethanamine can be converted into methanamine. The fourth conversion is benzamide to toluene. Then what we will do? Benzamide we will start. Benzamide is what? CONH2, is it? And we want to remove CO, suppose we want to remove a carbon. Then again the same reaction what we have done earlier, Br2 and KOH, Hofmann bromide degradation reaction, we will get what? Aniline, right? And aniline can be converted into benzene diazonium chloride by diazotization reaction, that is NaNO2 plus HCl at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, ice cold condition. So we will get benzene diazonium chloride, and when benzene diazonium chloride is treated with H3PO2, is it? It will be converted into benzene directly. If you don't want to convert directly, we will convert it into phenol first, then benzene. But here we can do it directly. And benzene on Friedel-Crafts alkylation, CH3Cl in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, anhydrous AlCl3. We will get benzene ring will be attached with the CH3 after loss of HCl. So we will get toluene. So benzamide can be converted into toluene.